It's Shana from WTI. I wanted to tell you about this adapter from Base Sailor. This is the USB-C female to USB male charger converter. This is so great. A lot of electronics now use C chargers, but a lot of charging stations that are public still are using USB, so this is a godsend. If you don't have a backup charger, but you still need to charge all your electronic devices, this will do it. I was able to use it recently on a flight when I didn't have my backup charger, but I did have this, and I was able to charge all my devices that needed to charge, and when I landed, I was ready to go. This does work well with phones, earphones, watches that have the C charger, and that's my point of view.